What's up, everyone? I'm gonna make this quick because, yeah. So I have this Harbor Breeze Fairfax from Jack Casey. I got this along with 5 other fans. I'm gonna replace the sockets because it has those stupid skinny sockets. So I don't have any bolts for that, so it's low. The mounting is not original because I don't have the canopy and it came with an extra long down rod. But yeah, the down rod is like really skinny, so it does sway, as you can see. The performance on this fan is really average. It's nothing special. I do like the way it looks though. This fan blows at least 4K, as it says on the manual. And I'm assuming it has a 153 by at least 15. For the high speed. What I like about this fan is the ornate details on the motor housing and the globe. It is decently fast. It's not that fast, but assuming it doesn't have a lot of pitch. It does wobble because of the down rod, obviously, and it does have quick connect blades, which makes my life so much easier because I really didn't want to spend a lot of time on this. I'm gonna turn it off. Thank you all for watching.